Very muggy evening with temperatures still staying into the mid 80s, probably through the midnight hour we'll still be into the middle 80s. Overnight, lows into the upper 70s to near 80 for the Palm Beaches and mid 70s for the Treasure Coast. High temperatures tomorrow will be once again very hot. 93 in West Palm, 93 in Stewart, 94 in Vero Beach. Records are for both locations 98 degrees, so not quite there. The feels like temperature, the heat index here we call it, it's going to feel like 104 in Vero, 105, 103 at Stewart, 105 in West Palm, 105 in Boca, so anywhere from 100 to 105 during those peak heating hours in the afternoon from about 11 to say 4 o'clock. Vipercast, the quiet night tonight, and as we go through the day tomorrow, the sea breeze does form, gets a little bit more active than previous days. Again, very isolated, and again, very brief, doesn't last long. So the mid part to the late part of the afternoon, we have the chance for a few isolated thunderstorms, and then poof, they're gone after that. And again, slowly each day we'll build on that. We'll start to ramp it up a little bit more on Wednesday and Thursday, scattered showers, thunderstorms. Friday and Saturday, we may be looking at a little bit of a tropical wave move through, so that'll bump up rain chances too. High temperatures will gradually come down. I know we've been kind of pushing this back a little bit, and the rain chances too each day. Models keep hinting that it's going to happen, and then that high just doesn't want to budge, so we extend it for another day. So here's this little tropical wave here we're watching. Some of this moisture will make it all the way into South Florida by Friday, and that will increase our rain chances, and Saturday too. The Pacific will start to get active too. Watching a disturbance there. Hurricane Center in 5 days gives it a 70% chance, so that could be the next named storm. All right, nice boating weather and beach weather looks fantastic. Calm seas out there, flat ocean, nice clear water. 7-day forecast. High temperatures will slowly get back under control, but still a hot couple of days ahead of us with slim rain chances. We'll ramp up the rain chances, bring down the temperatures by the end of the week and weekend.